Hey friends, Task Manager has a dark mode and a light mode. But if the dark mode in Task Manager is not working, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. First of all, let us open the Task Manager. So I'll open the Task Manager on my system, and as you can see, it is in the dark mode right now. But why? So click on this gear like symbol at the absolute left bottom corner of the window, and then in the app theme section we have something called as use system settings. So you can obviously change it to the light mode or the dark mode manually, but that's a different thing. But by default the system setting, the use system setting option is set. And what does it mean? So it will replicate the theme of the system. And what is the theme of the system right now? Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the personalization tab on the list on the left hand side, and the theme will be visible here. And you can obviously go to themes, and in the theme section all of these themes will be visible here. So a few themes like this one and this one are dark themes, and this one is a light theme. So if you selected a light theme for your system, the Task Manager will use a light theme. If you use a dark theme for your system, this will use a dark theme. And interestingly, even the background color, for example, the color of this dark theme is blue. The color will change on the Task Manager, it will become blue. And if you check the red dark theme, everything will become red in the Task Manager. So it will simply replicate the system settings. But if you wish to change that manually, you can obviously use the light theme, or you can use the dark theme, and it will replicate it accordingly. I will stick to use system settings for now. So if you're not able to change this, how do we fix this? Then the second option is to perform an SFC scan. But before that, we will update Windows, and I'll tell you why. Because this dark theme light theme thing was introduced much later. Earlier Task Manager was simply in the light theme. So to change it, right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab and click on check for updates. One more reason to update it is because earlier it would replicate the theme of the system. This option for settings and changing it to a light and dark manually was also introduced much later. So make sure to update, install each and every update. And the last is obviously an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar, click on run as administrator in the right pane, type the command SFC /scan now and hit enter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.